You're upside down on the camera.
That's how I feel right now.
Hey, this is Marshall with Mellow Nomadic Adventures, and if you're looking for fit for expedition, you found him.
This is where we stayed last night. So this is where we stayed at the Pioneer Hotel in Laughlin, Nevada, and it's free to stay for 7 nights in a row in the parking lot. You just got to go into security and let them know you're there, fill out a piece of paper and tape it to your windshield, and on the 8th night you have to pay for a room, but the rooms are cheap. They're like 20-30 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. Then you can go back to the 7 days in the parking lot. You know Pappy, Kelly?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pappy's got himself some bling on the finger.
Bling on the ring finger.
Yeah.
That's not the ring finger, that's the pointer finger. That's kind of a weird finger,
yeah.
Wearing that bling. He's looking right at us.
Yeah. Well, he's looking at you.
He is.
I'm gonna stand over here out of the way.
Oh, Pappy. So we won the jackpot.
Cha-ching!
Are you excited, Kelly?
Yes, very much. Penny slots. Didn't just win a penny. No, it was
5 cents on the penny slots. That's a 500% return.
except for the you put in $1.
Well, besides that. Shh. Unfortunately, it's a rainy day here in Laughlin, but I guess in season you can ride those jet skis and you can rent that stuff, and they have boats. They do have a water taxi. We saw it running last night before the rain hit. So hey, here's a little information on that water taxi. It's $5 one way, or all-day pass is available, and it stops at the following locations, and it lists several casinos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 casinos along the Colorado River. That's kind of cool. Some interesting seating down here at the pier. It's like church pews. That's what happens when you don't pay your gambling debts. So long, Pioneer Casino. It's been fun. So we are in the Tree BLM area, and it's about 15 miles outside of Lake Havasu City, and this is where we stayed last night. And it was actually much more crowded when we got here, but it's clean for sure, not trashed out at all. In fact, I haven't seen much. Well, and then the first time I saw trash was right now. But anyway, yeah, we've enjoyed our stay here. We met with Ron Sees America, Destinations Delight, and the Adventures of Traveling Mike, and they all took off already. So it's windy here, like it always is in these areas in Arizona. Look at how somebody put a nice rock barrier around that. What do you think of Laughlin, Nevada, Kelly?
That's my review.
It tired you out? Are you saying it tired you out?
It's a little hard to find things to do in Laughlin if you don't like to sit in the casinos and gamble.
And veg.
Surprise!
And veg in front of a slot machine.
It shouldn't really be that surprising since it is. That's what it is.
There's a cave way up there. We're like, oh, let's throw a couple blocks in there. That's not level, so what?
We have some rugs in there now, so you don't, if you sit in a chair, you don't roll all the way down the front.
You ready to pack it up and head into Lake Havasu and go walk across the London Bridge? Hey, we're having a great time on this current vacation or travel that we're doing. Eventually we'll be going full-time. Right now we are still part-time, but we're loving life in our box truck conversion. Next week we will be in Havasu City and we'll be walking over the London Bridge, checking out the shops along the Colorado River, and checking out Lake Havasu itself. There's a lot of restaurants right there and a lot of things to do. In fact, so far on this trip is one of our favorite places to check out. It's kind of like going to London without going to London. I don't know if that's true. I've never been to London. But anyway, we'll also show you Standard Wash, which is one of our favorite places to camp around Lake Havasu. In fact, to this point, it's our favorite. So we will see you next time on Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great.